Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dave and Connor.
Hello.
And this is my dirty 2016 Jeep Renegade Dawn of Justice edition, complete with Batman and can't see it hardly. Batman.
Real Batman.
Anyways, so it comes with the stock 18-inch wheels with a nice gloss black finish, and then of course I got it at Jeans Chrysler. A little plug for you guys here in Alaska. As you can see, the Batman Superman Dawn of Justice edition.
Symbol.
So anyways, today I ordered some parts for it. You can be in the video, dude. I ordered some parts for it, and here they are. So while my son tries to figure out how to open this with his hands, I'll just use a knife.
I poked it, so I was just playing with it.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I forgot that you should have to do that.
Move. Alright, what do we have, Connor?
We got paper.
More paper.
And more paper.
More paper.
And
And what is that?
then we have a...
That's my wiring harness. Alright, we don't need that right now.
A switch on it.
We got tons of mosquitoes out here, so.
Yeah. And then
Alright.
we got...
Alright, be careful with that one. That's my 20-inch LED light bar that will go across it. So we'll just go ahead and set that down. That'll be the second thing that we put on. So we'll just put that down. Alright, we need to get this other box out of here. What do you got? What do you think that is?
Mount bracket holder.
Mount bracket holder. Alright. We'll be right back.
By the way.
Alright, so this is the first part we got. It's just a bracket that's going to mount onto our license plate bracket, and then that way I can put a LED bar on top of it. And then it's winter here in Alaska, as you can tell. Well, it's not winter, but it's winterized, so I'll be able to wrap my blue extension cord around this. So alright, be right back. So I've put my master mechanic to work. This is Connor, and he's applying it. So basically this is the bar with just a license plate holder, so that'd be cool. It's nothing heavy duty,
No.
just for looks, really. So another inexpensive mod that I'm doing. So
Wasn't that expensive?
alright, so the next part that we have is the 20-inch LED, which I'm going to mount today, but I won't wire it today. So stand by.
Okay.
Alright, so first of all, I want to say one thing about the light is that they do not give you the proper tools to actually install the thing. So it is, I got one out of my toolbox. It's a 6mm Allen wrench. So that's what you need. So hold tight, we'll be back. Alright, now for the final project. Here again, I have not installed the wiring harness for the LED yet, so because I'm not sure exactly where I want to run it. But anyways, that's what it looks like.
A full LED on the thingy.
So here again, it's a license plate mount type thing, so it's not, you know, super heavy duty, but I like it. So I got off of Amazon $78. It was the bracket, the 20-inch light, and the wiring harness, which is here in this bag. Looks like it says waterproof switch. So yeah, it's made by Nilight, but anyways. So there it is, guys. The Dawn of Justice will soon have a working LED. Thanks for watching.